Hello everyone, I am Aryan Sharma and today's topic of presentation is using FL chart and SyncFusion Flutter chart in Flutter for data visualization. What is chart and its type? A chart is graphical representation of data. It transforms raw numbers which are difficult for a human brain to process in bulk into a visual shape, color and positions. There are a lot of charts like line chart, pie chart and bar chart, and there are many other charts that are used in different purposes. Next, come to which packages and why. We are using FL chart 0.66.0 and SyncFusion Flutter chart 32.1.22. First is FL chart. FL chart is a lightweight open source Flutter charting library designed for high customization, smooth animation, Canva based drawing. It gives full control over everything in the chart. But why I am using FL chart? It is because it gives me complete control over UI and animations. There's some reasons written here. It is fully customizable chart, smooth animation, work perfectly with custom UI designs, very lightweight, great for real-time animated data, touch interactions. FL chart supports bar chart, line chart, pie chart, scatter chart, and radar chart. Now let's start with the code of line chart. In FL chart, the first we are taking with line chart. So now let's come to the code and start the work. I made this demo app line page. This is the import. I use stateless widget. I change it to stateful because I have to make it responsive and interactive. In the child, we start with line chart. This data is to be line chart data. After this, inside this we have to go to here. These are the properties that we have to. First we have line bar datas. In line bar datas we have to uh, give this thing line chart bar data, line chart bar data. Inside line chart bar data we have to firstly give spots mean the points, spots. We have to give a list here. We have to inside we give the here also the list of this yes here, and spots. Let's give some of the spots. Let's this, as you can see, I reload and it show a triangle rectangle thing here. Let's give some data spots. Let's we have to give FL spot value of x to be 0, 5, sorry, 0, and same we have to give some of other values. 1 to be 5, x value 2 comma 3, x value 3 comma 6, value 4 comma 7, 5 comma 4, and some more values 6 for 5, 7 comma 2. If I reload, we will show the line graph here properly with the data type, and the tooltip is working properly. As you can see, it is re-showing different values. This is the work of spots done. Let's come to the here we have color. Inside line chart bar data we have colors, and let's try these all properties. Colors first, go here, so we can see the colors to be any. Let's give it white, so the line color change to white. Next property is gradient. Gradient is the property that we can use linear gradient here. In color we provide a list of colors, colors to be first red, next colors to be blue, and one more for good, we will give yellow. It is good. Gradient is now you can see the line converts into a gradient with these three color. Gradient overlaps the color think. If we comment this out, the color properties uh, available, and if we do not comment, and now gradient is uploaded. Here the bar width, now bar width is to be 4. It increases the width 5 more, 6 more, 9 more. I think 4 is good for now. Next I think we have comment the gradient so it looks white. It good. Next we have is covered, is curved. Is curved means we give it true, means it is now sharp at the points, and if we is curved true and reload, it gets curved at the point. Next property we have curve smoothness. Curve smoothness is 0.2. Let's make so it is, we can change the smoothness as you can see, but for default value we can comment this, and this is the default value. Now we have is stroke round. Is stroke round, this is a very is stroke cap round. Yes, first is cap. If we give it to true, you can have to see very carefully that, let me increase this, let it 15. You can see if I make it false, at the end you can see at the end it is now the straight line, and if make round cap true, it make it rounded at the corners. Similarly, it is join round, is stroke join round, is stroke join round. If we make it true, we can nothing see. It will work when we comment this is curved. I make let make it false first. After this is curved, if is not here, so it is straight. And if we make join round, means we put true here, so it curves this here. Let again see, this is false, so it is sharp. And if we make true, so let's change, you can see it is now smooth. So these are the properties we have demonstrate. Now we remove this, it can be put properly here, and let decrease the width to 5, I think is good. Next is below bar data and above bar data. These are quite similar. Below bar data means the line below this line we can give a color to that. Below bar data is below bar data is we it required bar area data to be so first true. Next we have colors to be any blue, blue, it give blue color to this. but it looks not very good, so we decrease this opacity to 2.2. It is now it is quite good. Similarly, for above bar data, we have to give bar area data, so to be true. Similar colors to be, I think we give yellow with the some opacity 0.3s. Now we can see it quite good. Next we have dot data. Dot data, we can see here the property of dot data. Yes, before that we can easily see dash array. We have to put an two values in commas. Let 18 comma 18 is called, it makes the this line dashed. 18 comma 18 means this dash, and this line part 18 comma 18 means they are both equal. Next we have dot. Come to dot data. Dot data we have to give fl dot data. We have to give show to be true. Let me true. It gives the data to this dot. Let dash data remove. These are the dots. You can see here. These are the dots. We have to change the dots. Make it true. Then get the dot painter, means we have to give some dot here. We have to give spots, percent, and bar data. Sorry, bar data. It is bar. Okay, it is so. Let bar data. Then we have index. We have to put this value. Next we give this fl. We can see here three: fl square, fl dot square painter, cross painter, and circle painter. We can see it is circle right now, so we use cross. And for let's see fl square, it is quite more good. Colors to be give it any, I think it will be red. I think will be good. So you can see some change, but it is not visible, so we increase the size. Now not much, 18. If we increase the size to 18, you can see here it is quite seen. Stroke color and stroke width, we can add this, means we have to give stroke width to get stroke, and stroke color also we can change. So do not need vary this part. We can comment, and we have the fixed as previous. After this we have shadows. Let's go to shadow. We have to go shadow sha shadow may we have to give colors to be black is good, so it is a shadow. And we have to give offset 5. Sorry, we have to give for shadow we have to add the blur radius, it to be 10, I think. So you can see the shadow near the line. It is good, I think, looking good, so we keep it. Is step line chart, it is a very not so good. Is step line chart, if we make it true, it make the chart like step line, is normal thing, but we don't need it right now, so we comment it. And these are the all properties, major property that is used in underline chart bar data. We have covered these. So now come to here, we have now covered this line bar chart, line bar data. Now we cover this between bar data and let's go to first, let's go to line bar line sorry title data. We go have to here uh, titles data. We have to, for this we have to give fl title data, then we have to bottom title. It relates with these values, the titles here. So we have to give the titles. So first give we have do not record this right and top title. So for right titles, give axis title and side title, the side title so be false. So it remove the side title. Similarly for top title, axis title, side title, so title to be false. It is good enough. Then for bottom and left, bottom titles to be axis titles. Axis name widget gives the what we have to write here, the x-axis, y-axis. So we write the text y-axis, anything you can write here. So it is as a bottom title, so we have to give here x-axis. Okay, x-axis. Now it is good. We can change the style as a normal text to see. We go text style, colors to be white and font size to be little bigger. It crosses the thing, could be 18. Good. Font size to be 18 is quite good. It is cutting the border. So what we will do here, we will go here and axis name size, we will give it 33. It is not good. We can give 35. It is more good. Then we give to the side titles to these are the side titles. Still we have don't show the side title, so it will be true. So it shows the side titles. And here we have can put intervals also, intervals to be like it is till 0 to 7. So we can give 2 of intervals, so it remove the now 0 2 4 6 and 7. Let me make 7 2. Let me add one more to the 8. So it is 6. Yes, so it is now 8. So 2 4 6 8. Now similar for this bottom title, we can add for the left title, axis title, axis name size to be 35, axis name widget to be text, and data to be y-axis. And let me copy this. This is now quite good. Like same side titles, we make it so to be true and interval to be 2. I think it is good. So it remove, and we also can make here it is, can we add 8. So yes, I think it is now good. Okay. is good. We can add padding here to whole. We can add padding. Let me only so right to some of the padding. Yes, it is quite good. So next we have title data, extra line data. Extra line data we have to give. Extra line data means we can add extra line for marking any purpose according to your project or app in which you are using extra line data. We have to use a horizontal line or vertical line. Horizontal line to put a list, horizontal line y to be 5. So now at 5 it gives a horizontal line. Colors to be white could be, yes. Similar for, we can add a vertical line x to be 4, similar colors to be white. This is good. Now you can see extra line data is covered. Line touch data is quite useful here. So let's give the code for line touch data. Line touch data is when we interact with the line, it shows the tooltip. So line touch data, we have to give it line touch data, and we can enable true. It is default, but we can enable true, and with this we have some other of the facilities that we can use for our purpose according to your need. Next, line touch data, we have range annotation. In range annotation we can add a, let me see, for range annotation we can give a horizontal range annotation. We have to give a list, horizontal range annotation from y is equal to, let me give value 2 to 4. So 4. So it give a shadow area for this line. This is quite good. And we can also change color, but it looking good, so we did not need any. This is the range annotation. We have grid data and border data. Grid data, we have to give fl grid data, it is so true. The grid data behind it is always means it is defaultly true, so this behind this is grid, not very good. Now border data, we have to give we have to put fl border data, it will show to be true. It is also defaultly true, but we have to put some of the style to this. So border dot all to the colors to white. Now it is white, and we can give it, we can now good. Yes, border data is done. So we have min x, max x, min y, max y, and background color. Let me show you how background color works. So if we add colors to be, let's take a very contrasting color, the background color changes. That's why all the color reflects to the top. So this is how background color works. Next we have 4 properties. that is min x. Min x means what is the value of minimum value of x. We can it be 0. Max x, right now it is 8, but we can make it 9. So this is what happened. And we can have 8, min y to be 0, and max y to be, if we give 9, so it covers the extends the graph. It is quite good. 8. These all are property have completed. This is all the code we have done here. This is how line chart prepare in the code and how using the FL chart package. Now let's see how we use bar chart in Flutter using FL chart package. Bar chart are mainly used when we want to compare values across categories like daily sales, attendance, or performance metrics. In Flutter, we create a bar chart widget and pass bar chart data to it. Bar chart data controls the entire chart layout, while group and row defines individual bars. Bar chart data. Bar groups holds all bar group. Min y max y set vertical scale for better readability. Alignment give aligns the bar evenly. Group space control the space between group. Background colors improve visual clarity. Grid data shows grid line for value reference. Border data adds chart boundary. Title data control x and y axis labels. Bar touch data enables touch and tooltip interactions. Next, bar chart group data and bar chart rod data. Each bar on the chart is actually built in two layers, group data and rod data. Bar chart group data. X is x-axis index, bar rod is list of bar inside one group, bar space space between bar in same group. Next we have bar chart rod data. From y to y, bar height range, color bar color, width bar thickness, border radius, round edges, border side and border dash array give styling to borders. Rod stack item used for stack bars. Raw data defines the actual visual bar we see on the screen. Next, we have pie chart, which we use when we want to show proportion or percentage distribution like market share or category contribution. We use pie chart widget and pass pie chart data. Each slice of pie is defined as a pie chart section data. Pie chart data key properties are section, list of pie slices, central space, radius, create donut style chart, center space color, color of the center space, section space give a gap between slices. Pie touch data enables interaction. Pie chart selects section data. Each slice of pie chart is controlled using this. Properties are values, determine slice size, color give color to this, radius is the thickness, title is the text on the slice, show title is toggle label visibility, title style give text styling, gradient add visual depth, and border radius gives slice border. By adjusting these we can highlight important data visually. So overall, FL charts gives high customizable, interactive and visual appealing chart in Flutter. Bar chart are best for comparison and pie chart are ideal for distribution analysis. Now come to the second package, Sync Fusion charts. Uh, the Sync Fusion charts provides four different type of chart: Cartesian chart, circular chart, pyramid chart and funnel chart. In Cartesian chart, it provides many lots of chart, but in this video we will cover line chart, area chart, bar chart and bubble chart. Uh, for the code, we come to the Android Studio. Here let's start. This file demonstrate Sync Fusion Cartesian chart using multiple chart type like line chart, area chart, bar chart and bubble chart. All chart shares common behavior like tooltip, axis, title and data models. This is stateful widget because chart use interactive features like tooltip. Uh, Tooltip behavior must be initialized once and reused. Stateful widget allows managing chart behavior efficiency. Tooltip behavior controls data pop-up when user tap. Like you can see here, this pop-up when user tap. Defined once and reuse across all the charts. Here it is defined and we can use across the chart. This improves the performance and keeps behavior consistent. Let's understand the code of the line chart. The widget used here is SF Cartesian chart. This title displays the title of the chart, the x and y axis, primary x axis and primary y axis. X axis is Cartesian category axis. Category axis is used when the data is discrete like months or name. Uh, Y axis is numeric axis. Then we have line series. It has chart data and string. Chart data is the data model. Here we have defined the data model below. Let me see. This is the data model we have defined here, and we have the here string. String is the x, the data type of the x-axis. Now this x value mapper and y value mapper are used to connect or map raw data to chart axes. This is how it is done. This with mark setting, data labels and point color mapper. These are the used for styling the chart, the colors and all these things. These shows the customization power of Sinks Fusion. Now this is the complete code of the line chart we have done. Uh, Next we have area chart. We have used the same widget as F Cartesian chart, but here the series widget used is area series. Maximum properties are same and used as it is like tooltip behavior, axis and titles. Uh, Here we use area series for area chart. As you can see here, this is area chart. It is just a simple area below the lines is filled with the color. These things, data labels and value mappers are same here also discussed in line series. Different are gradient. This gradient thing which gives the gradient color to the area. We have used linear gradient. This is the complete code of the area chart. Next come to the bar chart. uh, First is this is transposed. By transposing, the x and y axes are swapped, converting a column chart into a bar chart, and all these are same. Here for bar chart we used bar series. This the chart data area is the data model and int is the data type of the x-axis. These value mappers are same. This border radius makes the curved border of the bars as you can see here. Next, this is all the code of the bar chart. It is very simple, not a very complex thing. Next, we have a very interesting chart, bubble chart. It is not seen very rapidly or in any common area. We in this bubble chart widget used is bubble series. In this we have chart data bubble and int as we know it is the data type of x-axis, and this is the data model. Here also same things. Extra property is this size value mapper, um, which defines the size of the bubble. It binds the size data to the bubble. Bubble chart visualize in 3D dimension, x-axis, y-axis and size. This is the complete code of the bubble chart. not very complex, the same things. This is the gradient which gives the color to the bubble only. Next we have in end of the code, we have the data models that we have you make for this. This is all about the Cartesian chart. Now we come to the circular chart. This is all this is all about the Cartesian chart. We have covered the line, area, bar and bubble charts. Now come to the circular chart. Syncfusion provides three different type of circular chart: pie chart, donut chart and radial chart. Here you can see the example of each chart. Now let's come to see the code of the chart. Come to Android Studio. This is code of circular chart. Let me open. Yes, in here we have the second tab for the circular chart. This is the circular chart, you can see. Let's start. In similar as before, tooltip behavior controls the data pop-up. Here widget used is SF circular chart. This is the difference, that here the widget used is SF circular chart. Title for the chart title. Legends maps the color to categories. Pie series is used here. Chart data is the data model and string is the data type. X value mapper and Y value mapper as all others. Here data value mapper connects raw data fields to the chart segment and the data source contain all the data. Here we have the data label setting as previous Cartesian chart. We have a feature is explode. You can see this segment is out of the circle. It is due to the explode feature. It gives the index which you have to explode from this circle, and this is the radius of the pie chart. This is the code for the pie chart. Next come to the donut chart. It uses the donut series, say under the same widget SF circular chart. As all same tooltip behavior for touching these things, because of this. Legends true. This is you can enables these legends. Yes, like this. Then title for the chart title, donut chart. In series, use donut series. Data source contain all the data. This chart data is the data model, string is the data type. This value mappers connect the raw data fields to the chart segment. Radius is this, and in donut chart we have a different thing is inner radius. It is 60%. This inner radius defines by this, and the data level setting is same as previous. Next we have a third circular chart, that is radial chart. It similar use as a circular chart widget. Inside this it uses radial bar series in series. This also contain tooltip behavior, legends, title, same for all. This has chart data, the data model, and string is the data type for the other. It we have use series color, means the different color for each series. Maximum values define the when the complete circles fills, it is 60. If this value, any of the value tends to 60, it completes the circle. Then the track opacity, the track behind this is having some the opacity, it is because of this. Then we have same the value mappers, and the corner style. Here it gives the both curves to this thing, and the data level settings as always, and the radius for the complete thing. This is all the code for the pie charts, means the circular chart we have donut, radial and pie. Then this is the data model that we have here. This is all the complete code for circular chart. Next come to the pyramid chart. A pyramid chart is generally used to show hierarchical data, represent distribution from top to bottom. This is an example here. We can see. Now come to the code. In app we have the third tab for this pyramid chart. You can see this animation. Now here the widget used is SF pyramid chart. The tooltip behavior is same as others. The legends is here. It is visible, is true, and here you can also give position to this legend to bottom. Title is for the title of the pyramid chart. Here you can show in series we have pyramid series, chart data and string. String is for the legends and chart data is this, the data model that we have defined here. It has the name and the integer value. The height and width shows the overall dimension of the pyramid chart. This is the value mapper to connect the raw data into this series. This is all the data of the pyramid chart. Next we come to the funnel chart. As you can see here, let's go to code of the funnel chart. This is the code of funnel chart. Here widget used is SF funnel chart. The tooltip behavior same, legend same, the position is at bottom, and the tooltip behavior working properly. The title is for title of the chart. Series is we have funnel series. Chart data is the data model, we have this, and string is a data type. Height, width, neck height and neck width. This is the neck of the funnel chart. These four things majorly defines the dimension of overall funnel chart. The data source contain all the data. Chart data have this January means this 35. This is this. It gives the data from bottom to top, means this is January, so it is 35, then 28 for February, 34. This is all the things. Then again we have the X value mapper and Y value mapper to connect the data, and we have this explode we have this data level setting. We can see it is true, and the text style this 40, 32, 34. Next we have this, I comment this code as I now remove the comment. Explode means we can explore any section from here. Let me see, it is index 2, so when we it remove it from the main stream. And this is the complete code of the funnel chart. Now we have completed the code for the all charts in Syncfusion chart. This is basic main.dart file. So with this we come to end of the video. I want to say that this is not the complete thing of the packages. These packages holds a lot of more features that can be discussed. This was an overview of the package, which basic charts they provide that are used widely in day-to-day apps for data visualization. In reality, both Syncfusion and FL chart offer many more customization interaction features which can be easily explored and add on your project uh, as according to requirements. However, I believe this video should give you a strong foundation to understand Flutter charting library and start building your own data visualization features. Now let's end the video. I hope it would help you, and make sure to try it by yourself. Thank you for your time.